This is my organic ginger. I got some organic ginger at Kroger. This is about 1 pound, quarter 1 pound. I'm gonna use some to make some cornmeal porridge. Yeah, it's delicious. And I'm gonna put about a cup of cornmeal, making some cornmeal porridge. Cup. Even it out. Make sure it's about a cup. You can use your hand. So this is about a cup. Actually, let me turn my stove on. I want to put it while the water is not that hot. Put this in here. Yep. This is it. I'm gonna get my spoon. Love this spoon. I love this wooden spoon. You want to put this in while it's not too hot because it doesn't make clumps, huge clumps. Keep stirring it. You can probably heat your water up for 5 minutes before putting it in, or you can put it in right away with the water. Stir it. Okay. This is it. So I got about 4.5 cups of water, about a quarter cup of condensed milk. I use this condensed milk. You can use any condensed milk. I got this from Aldi's. This is what I use. And I use 1 whole can of coconut milk. So 15.5 to 4 ounces of milk, coconut milk. I got this from my international market. Now I'm gonna put 1 bay leaf. 1 bay leaf. I got this from Sam's Club. Bay leaf, just 1 in here. Earlier I seasoned. I also put some cinnamon, ground cinnamon in there. I prefer to use like the steaks, but I'm out of the steaks. I'm using this. I had a quarter teaspoon of this, and a quarter teaspoon of ground nutmeg in here. Yep. Now I'm going to add some flax-seed, and I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of flax-seed in there. This is it, flax-seed. This is more than enough. This is the flax-seed I'm using. All flax seeds. Chia seeds. And I already peeled 1 organic ginger. This is whole ginger. Just peeled it. I'm gonna put this in here. Let it cook in here as well so it can give it some nice flavor. I also got 1 prune that I cut. I already cut my prune, just 1 whole prune. This is it. Just in here. This is sweet. I think I'll carry you while doing this. Just want me right now. So this is my prune. So 1 whole prune. I'm going to stir it right now. This is on low because I don't want it to cook too much and start making clumps. This is the type of food where you have to constantly stir it. Oh. I know once I get all my ingredients in, let me open this chia seeds. I'm gonna put chia seeds in here as well. I love putting chia seeds. I like the ground chia seeds. I haven't been able to find the ground chia seeds in my egg, but I think this. I like chia seeds, quite a bit of chia seeds. Oh, fell. So I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons in here. It's 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons in here. So I got done about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes ago. I had to go nurse my baby, but yeah, got done making this. Yeah, after I put all my ingredients, I just stir it for 5 minutes so it can thicken up to the thickness that you want. I like this thickness right here. As you can tell, that I had it out. It's been cooling for about 5 minutes. That's why the top is look like it's kind of hardened, but it's not. So this is it. It's yummy. I mean, it's yummy, delicious porridge, cornmeal porridge. This is it. So I'm gonna have some with my egg. I made omelette for breakfast. So in my omelette I have spinach, orange peppers, okra, and tomato. But that's it. But yeah, this takes about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes to cook. Doesn't take long to make at all. Once you have all your ingredients in, it doesn't take much long to make. But yeah, it's just cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, prunes, dry prunes in here. That's it. Bay leaf, chia seeds, and flax-seed. That's all I have in here. But please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. So this is my breakfast right here, the cornmeal porridge. Yeah, this is so delicious. I just showed you guys how I made it. This is it. And this is my eggs, my omelette. This is what I'm gonna have for my breakfast. So yeah, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.